Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body.
Back to the channel, guys. This is episode 3 of the 2J swap. So today we're here at our homie Zeus's house. Nasty ass. Zeus in the background. We're gonna be taking apart the 2J and cleaning it and getting it all where it needs to go, because right now it's looking a little ooey, but we're gonna get it back to where it needs to be. Yeah, so we'll bring you guys right along. So we are removing the engine so we can start pressure washing and cleaning it up. It's looking crazy. For those who don't know what a 2J looks like, this is a 2J in distress. We're gonna clean it up though. It's gonna look brand new. It's gonna look like never before. And this 2J is going in here. Yes, sir. Got the pull under. Go ahead and degrease down that transmission. Get her real wet. We need to see silver again. Look how dirty it was already. We haven't even started pressure washing, and it's gonna be good, guys. We're actually excited to see this. We'll give you guys a close-up. It's been sitting for a while. We're gonna bring it back, get everything all freshened up, and get it on the road. Decided to go with the Portland electric pressure washer, 1750 psi. Electric. It should put in work. So we're gonna see what this little bad boy right here, what she's all about. We're gonna let you guys know if we recommend it or not. We just picked it up because we needed to clean the motor. So stay tuned. What's up? Right with it, yeah. Hey. Spray on this side. Yeah, get all that up. Who had these White Claws? Oh! Back up. Yeah, alright. I'm out here doing my thing. I'm working. You see how wet it is? See how it's dripping that dirt? That shit with that already fucked off the other can? Nigga, I sprayed everything on the car, on mama's. That shit clean. You feel me? I ain't worried about it, kid.
Oh, this shit came back.
I'll get it right with it.
That's the whole motor again. Bro, that shit dead ass. Okay, hold on, let me get out of
here. Get out the way. I'm trying to clean some shit. I'm trying to beam some shit. What's happening? Ooh-wee. First one to clean it wins. Get more of what? I sprayed the whole engine with everything we had. It should be good enough. Let's do it. Come on.
That pool came in clutch.
I told, but look how much dirt, look how much water is in that Johnny already. It is real. Look, you got mud, water, drinking $400. Actually, ask the fans right now. You in front of the camera, bro. Move. You in front of the camera, bro. And it's recording. So we've managed to spray down the whole motor with the greaser. As you guys can see, this is what it's looking like after we just spray it. We do 2 cans of the greaser. Sprayed everything. We haven't hit it with water yet, so we're gonna bring you guys along and let you guys see how clean it comes out when we get done. We plan on bringing it back because we need everything to look like this more than this. So
a sneak peek how it's looking?
I told you, bro.
I think we need to go get more degreaser. Let it soak for 15 minutes, blast it off again. Let it soak for 15 minutes, blast it off again.
So we have the first spray. We need more degreaser because, you know, after 4 years, it's pretty caked on there, but it's looking pretty good. The transmission is looking a lot better. Let me show you guys the other side. The other side looks better of the transmission side. Okay. Transmission side is looking a lot better. So come to find out that this motor part back here already came black. So it's more of just getting the sludge off the motor. So we're gonna get like maybe 2 more cans of degreaser just to be safe. And yeah, we're gonna make it work. And we are back. We just got back from the store. We got 6 cans of degreaser. I don't know why, but we did it. We are here. You see the motor? Spraying it all down, getting it all fresh to death. Y'all love it. And we're gonna spray it again. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Spray it again, and then you see the transmission. The transmission almost there. It's almost there, but it's perfect. So here we are, letting her dry off, wiping her down, still in the middle of wiping her down, but if you look at her now, it's really different. You guys seen her before, and for people who don't know, this is already this color. Like it's not changing.
Oh, come hit it where it says 2JZ. That shit fire.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, 2JZ. So you guys see it. So this is exactly how you clean up a motor, because it's been sitting for a while. So we want to bring it back. We're gonna do some maintenance, obviously, new belt, a few new items for the motor, and get her back on the road. Honestly, that's the goal. So